So 91.225 talks about ADS-B requirements, and it very similarly goes over top of the Mode C requirements for the transponders. So there is a healthy swath of the country that you can fly without an ADS-B out. But for the most part, most of the training helicopters and stuff like that are going to be equipped with an ADS-B transponder, and most new aircraft, or sorry, all new aircraft are required to have ADS-B out abilities, and then a lot of older aircraft are being retrofitted with the ADS-B. So anyways, it's a good idea. It's more information for you as the pilot and for other people to see and avoid, and to make sure that you don't hit each other. But 91.225, read below for more information if you want to get very specific on where all you can have your ADS-B out, on and off in the US or contiguous US. But my rule of thumb is it's like squawking and talking, like turn all your lights on and transponder mode C plus ADS-B out if you have it installed. And the more ways that you can get your location information to other pilots and to other controllers, more than likely they're not going to hit you, and they're going to be ready to help you if you ever need. So turn everything on and make yourself as bright as possible to ensure survival.